Okay, so here we go. We're gonna go ahead and get hooked up. We have our blue ox hitch, and then we're all set up with the Jeep. First thing we do is take out these little plugs. They're little protectors to keep debris out. And then all the equipment we need is all right here. So that's it. So we're gonna go ahead. That one didn't lock. We wear gloves just because a lot of this stuff is oily and greasy and dirty. So you just want to make sure for ours that you have the arrows pointed up. Thank you. Thanks.
It's electric, right?
It's both.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Thanks. So this is the cord for the lights, and it also controls the brakes. So that is it. So when we hook up our brakes, it's the same as hooking up our lights. And this is just the safety. And that is it. So the next thing we would do is go to the inside and make sure everything is set for towing.